guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my little Walgreens haul that I did this week. It turned out to be completely free, plus a $4.25 moneymaker. It was super quick and simple and easy. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. As always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so we're going to go over my really quick little Walgreens haul here. So first up, I did pick up my free 8x10 picture. We had a free code for it a couple of weeks back. I think I talked about it in my last Walgreens video. So if you do order the free 8x10 and use that code, you don't have to pick it up the same day. They will hold it for you for a little bit. So I picked this up and I received a spend booster out of the Catalina machine. So it was spend 30 and get $7 in Walgreens cash. And I also had a digital booster from last week. It was spend 25 and get $5 in Walgreens cash. And I'll pop it up here on the screen. So I knew that I wanted to spend $30 at least so that I could stack this paper booster with the digital booster as well. So what I did was, I didn't have any register rewards or anything, but I knew that I wanted to get one. That way my out-of-pocket would be a little bit lower whenever I did the spend deal. So first up, for this first deal, I went in and I did the Colgate deal. So we have free Colgate toothpaste this week. These are $3.99 each. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And you'll get back a $5 register reward for purchasing 2. So that makes those completely free. So I did that deal first, all by itself. That was my first transaction. And just so that you guys can see there, you pay $4.98 out of pocket. I'm pretty sure you can use points because you're getting back a register reward. So you can use points to pay. And then you'll get that $5 register reward, which will make those 2 toothpaste completely free. So then on my second transaction, I was working with, like I said, this paper spend booster and a digital spend 25, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. So how that works is you have to spend, so in order for those 2 boosters to work, I had to spend the top amount, which is the $30. So you have to spend $30, and that is after IVC coupons are applied. So we're just going to go through the deals, and then I'm going to pop up the pictures on the screen here of the coupons. So we do have a deal this week on the Dawn and Febreze products, and I think Cascade and Swiffer is also included in that. I'll pop it up here on the screen. Now we don't have any coupons for the Dawn dish soap, but this is one of the larger bottles. It's 1.18 liters or 40 fluid ounces, so it's a pretty big bottle. And then I picked up 2 of the Febreze plugins. Now make sure that you do scan these in the app to price check, because there was one at my store that was still ringing up at $6.99, and you want to pick up all 3 of these products are $4.99 this week. So you want to pick up 3 of the products that are included in that promotion, and then you'll get $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. Now we do have a coupon for the Febreze, and it is 5 off 2 of the Febreze plugins. So I threw in that deal. And also we have some really high value coupons on the L'Oreal mascara products or eye products. So here's where the IVC coupons are going to come in. So the L'Oreal mascaras, you can pick up different ones, but I've been wanting to try this product, so I picked these 2 up. These are $13.99 each, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So one is $13.99 and one is $6.99. So that's about $20 right there. And then when we're throwing in $15 worth of products here, picking up, let me move this out of the way so we don't get confused. So picking up these 5 products, that is going to put your subtotal at $35.95. So that does cover you've met your spend amount for this booster as well as the spend 25 digital booster. Now, we do have several high value coupons for the L'Oreal. We have a 7 off 2, and that's the one that I use. I think there's also a 5 off 2, maybe a 4 off 1, and a 2 off 1. You'll have to double check your accounts, but either way it works out, I think it's either going to be $5 off in manufacturer coupons, $6 off in manufacturer coupons, and $7 in manufacturer coupons. So just check your accounts if you want to do this deal. The 7 off 2 did come off for me for the manufacturer coupon, but we also have a 3 off 2 IVC coupon, and you can clip this to your account. And how you'll know if it's an IVC or store coupon, it'll say $3 off with my Walgreens. It'll say that on the digital version as well. So this is $3 off when you purchase 2. So for the L'Oreal mascaras, I had a total of $7, $8, $9, $10 in coupons for that is going to come off of the L'Oreal mascaras. So, like I said, our subtotal is $35.95, and then this $3 IVC coupon is going to come off first. Once that $3 comes off, your spend total still needs to meet that $30 threshold in order for you to use the boosters. So the $3 comes off. That brings our subtotal down to $32.95. So we can still turn in our paper booster, type in your phone number. The paper and digital booster will stack. And the 7 off 2 coupon came off, no problem. The 5 off 2 coupon applied. And then I also used the $5 register reward, which also acts as a manufacturer coupon. And so we have this Dawn dish soap right here. It doesn't have any coupons for it. So that $5 register reward will attach to the Dawn. All right, so I'm going to show you my receipt here really quickly. Then I'll go over the written out breakdown. So you guys can see up here, the store IVC coupon, $150 off there. $150 off there, and that's for the L'Oreal mascaras. Then we have the Febreze and the Dawn. We have the point booster being applied here for the paper spend booster. We have the 7 off 2 L'Oreal manufacturer coupon, the 5 off 2 Febreze manufacturer coupon, and then that $5 register reward, which also acts as a manufacturer coupon. So my subtotal was $15.95, and you do have to pay that out of pocket unless you have other register rewards that you can throw in and get your subtotal even lower. So the amount that I earned on this visit was $20.20. So that made all of this completely free, plus a $4.25 moneymaker, I do believe, if I'm remembering my math correctly. I'll pop up a picture on the screen here so that you guys can see. Now, I earned a few more points back, or Walgreens cash back, I guess you could say, because it is my birthday month, and I'm getting 10 times the everyday points all month long. So, if you do this exact same deal, and it is your birthday month, you'll get a total of $20.20 back in Walgreens cash. If it's not your birthday, I'm going to go over the deal without those birthday points in there. And then I'll show you guys my written out breakdown. Alright guys, so hopefully you can read my chicken scratch here. So like I said, I had the digital spend 25 booster and then the paper booster spend 30. So if you have both of those spend boosters, you can do this deal and it'll come out free, plus a $1.05 moneymaker. So you're getting back... here's all the products and the prices. Here's your subtotal at $35.95. Like I said, that IVC store coupon will come off first, so that's $3 off of 2. Your new subtotal will be $32.95, and that will meet both of your spend thresholds for those boosters. So then all your manufacturer coupons will come off, and then that $5 register reward. Your subtotal after coupons will be $15.95, and then you're going to get a total of $17 in Walgreens cash back for both of the spend boosters, and then we have $5 in Walgreens cash coming back on the Febreze and Dawn deal. So that'll make your final price free plus a $1.05 moneymaker, which I think is an awesome deal considering, look at all these awesome products that we're getting. These mascaras alone are $15 each. So right there is $30 worth of products and then $15 worth of products right here. And we also got that free Colgate. So that's $8 worth of toothpaste right there. So that's a pretty awesome deal. Plus another spend paper booster printed off for me out of the Catalina machine. So for next week, I believe I received a digital booster for spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I'm not quite sure. I'll pop it up here on the screen so you guys can check it out. And then I have this paper booster, which I can stack with it if I want to. So it's spend 30 and I'll get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So hopefully, we're going to cross our fingers and hopefully we'll get some really good deals next week. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a little bit today. Now, I will have a Dollar General 5 off 25 scenarios video up later. It will be a little bit later than usual, but just stay tuned, hang tight, and it will be uploaded today. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Turn on your notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.